6:15 on your Thursday morning, and this morning the search for Today Show host Savannah Guthrie's mother Nancy will continue, now entering its 12th day. The FBI is conducting what was called an extensive search in Guthrie's neighborhood. They say they're looking for anything that might shed a light on who's responsible for the woman's disappearance. The latest search comes after police questioned and released a man who says that he is a delivery driver. He says he has nothing to do with Guthrie's kidnapping. ABC says that he was on the investigators' radar before the doorbell video was released. One former Department of Homeland Security official says that it will be difficult to find Nancy Guthrie.
It's difficult to locate and rescue the person who's been kidnapped. The complexity of these investigations have been made even more intense because kidnappers are increasingly using technology to plan these operations.
Since that doorbell video was released, more than 4,000 calls have flooded into these tip lines. There's been a total of 18,000 tips since Guthrie vanished.